How to make a Skittles Frappuccino your kids or guests will love. On lazy Saturdays, the kids and I go out for brunch and lounge at the nearest Starbucks for drinks after. I would have my caramel macchiato and they would have any caffeine-free drink of their choice. Recently, they discovered a Skittles Frappuccino and they've been ordering the same thing. It was fun until I realized I've been paying $12 for 3 drinks for several weeks now. I thought to myself, why don't I hack this drink and just make it at home? If you're looking to make drinks for friends, or just looking for ways to save bucks from Starbucks, you should try this at home. What's in a Skittles Frappuccino? It's basically a strawberry and cream frappuccino, but classic syrup is replaced with vanilla and raspberry syrup. It's called Skittles Frappuccino because it's basically meant to taste like and remind us of Skittles. How to make a Skittles Frappuccino your kids or guests will love. Prep time, 3 minutes, cook time, 2 minutes, total time, 5 minutes, yield, 2 servings of a 16-ounce. Ingredients: 4 cups ice, 1½ cup, 6 tablespoons strawberry sauce or strawberry syrup, 4 tablespoons vanilla syrup, 6 optional, strawberries, whipped cream. Instructions: just blend all the ingredients, except strawberries and whipped cream, together in a blender until smooth. You may serve it with or without whipped cream and sliced strawberries on top, whichever your guests prefer. If you're feeling a little careless about calories and wouldn't mind a richer version, you may use the following ingredients: 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 2 cups fresh or frozen strawberries, 1 cup optional whipped cream,